Hello, children. Oh yeah, you can't reach that. I'm like downtown, I guess. Whatever. Yeah. Well, camera is not working, so I have to record my phone. Dude, rather than record my phone, microphone's on. Or microphone's messed up, as you can probably hear. Yeah. So I'm just gonna use my phone. I was gonna make a video on how you do Street View. Yeah. Well, I don't have a camera that works with Street View, but I do have a camera that you can upload, and then you can move the picture on, so you can put it where it goes. It doesn't know its location, but you just upload it, and then Google Maps gives you a tool that allows you to move the location while using satellite map. So then you can put the I'll show you. Hold on. Here's the CapCut to edit all this. So it's gonna be very editing. I'm not a good editor, so that's why I use CapCut. Right here is where I'm gonna start doing my Street View. I gotta get everything set up, but I can't use my phone while I'm using the app, so I'm gonna fake the shots because they're not real, because the camera's not working. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on with that in a second. I can't put it on there because I don't have my thing, because I didn't expect to use my phone for this. So I'll show you what's wrong with the camera. Let's turn around for a second. So here's the. It's also zoomed in. Is it zoomed in? Whatever. Here's the camera. I got SD card in there. SD card's in there. Turn it on. Turn it on. See 0 minutes. Then start recording. The thing was originally the camera when I got it. I got it used, but it's just card error now. It was working fine a couple days ago. Pushing menu. I go to see where SD card is. I'm sorry, passed it. I think I passed it already. Here's settings right here. I can't push that. I'm gonna go get my other one. Okay, so this one's gonna work. Okay, I have one that's a micro SD in there. Hopefully, I just have the shutter on. Okay, good, it works. So, fuck's that noise? Well, I'm gonna cut to the camera. Okay. Well, finally got a video to work. So it took me a couple minutes to figure that out. I used my small SD card, and then it didn't work, and then I used a different one. So finally I got it to work. So guess you got a video right here. I only have 76 minutes on here. So let's get the camera out here. So this is the camera I have. It's just a 360 Rise $100 camera. It's the cheapest I could find because I'm poor. I'm fucking poor. So usually you should probably bring a charger for everything. Your phone, your camera. Mainly your camera, you should bring a battery and a charger. So mainly your camera, but if your phone's 50% or something, and you're trying to do like a mile or something, then you're gonna need like you're gonna need a charger for your phone. This is my rig right here. You got the GoPro thing, just a sticky pad. I got a kit, and then I got something else that goes from the screw type to the GoPro bottom. So that's all I got. Should be pretty tall. So when you connect, it's like it zooms in Google Earth, and you go like that. You're gonna need something tall, so it zooms in. So this is perfect. If you have to have it close to your helmet, it's still fine. It will still work. All you gotta do is put the helmet on, tighten it up on the back, and you gotta. You don't have to strap this on. And also, it's cool because it's in the middle. It's gotta just do like that if it's cold. So, like this. Plug it in. Get your button on. Hold it, because yeah, that's what I have to do with mine to turn on. Then we gotta push the button to turn Wi-Fi on. And you go to your phone. So it's a tutorial. Oh yeah, I got Rosalina. Oh my god. 19 new subscribers, wow. Thank you guys for subscribing. I got 13K in like a month. That's this one. That's my face. So just gotta go Wi-Fi, and then see top one right there next to you. It's gonna connect. Then you go to the it's gonna say this right here on the top. It's gonna say has no internet access. That's fine, because it's not an internet thing. It's a Wi-Fi, just like Bluetooth. You open up the app here, and then push the connect button, and then you connect it. Make sure stage connect the Wi-Fi. What? It's not connected? Oh. I forgot. I was doing a tutorial video. Make sure to turn your data off, because it's going to use that instead of the Wi-Fi, because you use anything better, because it said no Wi-Fi access. So you're going to put this on. I should be your screen recording, but I don't give. Well, here you go. Now you see all around you. Look, I can move around. My camera right here. See the camera? There, my phone. Ta-da! There you go. You got your camera set up. Now all you gotta do is like make sure you fix it and you put it in photo mode, because you don't want to be recording a video, because you don't need to. You're doing it in pictures. It won't work if you do it in video. What I do is start at the start, stand in one place, and just push the photo button. You can also map it so you can put it to the volume button, and then all you gotta do is this. Keep your head straight up, like make sure your camera's straight by looking to the side, and then move your head, or move just the camera just for whatever's helpful for you, and then you do this. No, I don't want to stop through it. Yeah, straight up, take a picture. And what I do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I take a picture. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you can just keep going. Every time you do say 10 on the right foot, then you do it. And that's how you make the street view. Well, it's kind of dark. I wish I was doing this earlier, but I didn't feel like doing it, and then I was like, maybe I should make a tutorial video. So yeah.